Hello and welcome back to AI with Manpreet. And today we are going to learn how to create vocabulary in Magic School AI. First of all, open the Magic School AI, log in, and on this page you are going to see a lot of options, but you need to go all the way down to that it says vocabulary list generator. Click on here and the page will look like this. Here they are going to ask you to choose the grade. For this video I'm creating a ninth grade, and after that you can write the topic or text or anything which you want to create the vocabulary on. For this video I'm writing cell organelles, and then hit generate, and voila. And here you can see the list of vocabulary with definitions for the topic of cell organelles. And here also they're giving you the to modify your prompt. If you want more or less, you can do that, but it is so easy to create vocabulary list. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. AI with Manpreet Kaur.